Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, to make your password visible, tap on this eye next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!